Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to make omelette sandwich. It tastes like pizza. Kids would love it. Quick and simple breakfast in 10 minutes. Let's get started. Take a bread slice, cut it in the center using the cutter. Twice we'll cut all the bread slices and keep it ready. You can cut into any shape. Let's make an omelette. Whisk an egg. Now let's add the ingredients. I'm using half green chilli chopped, 1 tablespoon onion, it's also finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of capsicum, 1 tablespoon of turkey bacon, add some pepper, and some salt. Give it all a nice mix. In a pan, add a tablespoon of butter, and toast the bread. Add the egg omelette mixture into the bread. Cover and cook it for a minute. Now turn it over, let it cook for a minute. Flip it back. Let's add some cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice which is available at home. I'm using Parmigiano cheese. Cover it. Let's wait for the cheese to melt. Omelette sandwich is ready. Serve it with some ketchup. Do try this recipe and share the comments. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.